Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when Muazzin pronounces Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest, must pronounce Allahu Akbar from his heart. Then when the Muazzin proclaims Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah, he must pronounce Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Thereafter, when the Muazzin utters Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah, I testify that verily Muhammad is Allah's apostle, he must utter Ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Then when the Muazzin announces Hayya ala salah, come to the prayer, he must say La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, there is no might and no power but with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Then when the Muazzin says Hayya ala al-falah, come to success, he must say La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Then when the Muazzin again pronounces Allahu Akbar, he must say as well Allahu Akbar. Then when the Muazzin proclaims La ilaha illallah, he must also say La ilaha illallah. He will enter paradise. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 848.